Have you ever looked at your employee benefits and thought, there has to be a simpler way to manage all of this? You're not alone. The world of payroll can feel like a tangled mess of spreadsheets, tax forms, and complicated regulations. And when you add in benefits, health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, it can become overwhelming. You're trying to run a business, not become a full-time HR and accounting department. You want to provide for your team, but you also need to make sure you're staying compliant and keeping your books in order. It's a delicate balance. But what if I told you there was a way to streamline this process? A way to manage your payroll and employee benefits all in one place, so you can spend less time on administration and more time on what you do best? That's exactly what Wave is designed to do for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to demystify the process of setting up employee benefits in Wave. We'll walk through it step by step, from the initial setup to the ongoing management of deductions and contributions. Whether you're a brand new business hiring your first employee or an established company looking to optimize your workflow, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from health insurance and retirement plans to custom deductions. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently set up and manage your employee benefits within Wave, giving you back your time and your peace of mind. So, let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that setting up employee benefits in Wave is part of their payroll service. This isn't something you'll find in the free accounting software. Wave Payroll is a paid add-on, but for the value it provides in automating tax calculations, direct deposits, and benefits management, it's a huge time saver. If you haven't already, you'll need to activate Wave Payroll for your business. Once that's done, you're ready to start. The journey begins on your main Wave dashboard. Look over to the left-hand menu and click on Payroll. This will take you to your payroll dashboard, which is your central hub for everything related to paying your team. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Employees section. This is where you'll find a list of all your current employees. If you haven't added any yet, this is the time to do it. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you have at least one employee set up. Now, let's focus on a specific employee. Click on their name to open their individual profile. This page contains all the important details about that employee, from their personal information to their pay rate and tax details. On this page, you'll see a navigation menu specifically for this employee. You're looking for the tab that says Benefits and Deductions. Click on it. This is the control panel for your employee benefits. You'll see a section for both additions to pay and deductions from pay. We're primarily going to be focusing on the deductions, as that's where most benefits are handled. Think of deductions as money that is taken out of an employee's paycheck for a specific purpose, like a portion of their health insurance premium. To add a new benefit, look for a button at the top right of this section that says something like Add to Pay or Deduct from Pay. Click on it. A new window will pop up with a drop-down menu. This is where you'll select the type of benefit you want to add. Wave has a list of common options already built in, which is fantastic. You'll see things like health insurance, retirement savings plan, 401k, and life insurance. Let's start with a common one, health insurance. Select Health Insurance from the drop-down. Once you select it, a new form will appear asking for more details. This is where you'll input the specifics of the health plan. The first field is the name. It's good practice to be specific here. Something like health insurance, PPO plan, or health insurance basic is helpful, especially if you offer multiple plans. Next, you'll see a few options on how the deduction is calculated. This is a crucial step. You can choose from a fixed amount, percentage of gross pay, or percentage of net pay. For most health insurance plans, you'll be using a fixed amount per pay period. This is the amount that is deducted from the employee's paycheck each time. Let's say the employee's portion of the health insurance premium is $150 per month, and you pay them semi-monthly. That means you'll need to deduct $75 from each of their 2 paychecks a month. You would enter $75 in the Amount per Pay Period field. This is an important detail to remember. always make sure the amount corresponds to your specific pay schedule. You'll also see an option for the company contribution. This is where you'll enter your part of the premium, the amount the business pays. Wave will use this information to accurately track your expenses. Let's say your business contributes another $200 per month. You'll enter $100 per pay period in this field. Finally, there will be an option for tax treatment. This is where it gets a little technical, but Wave makes it easy. For most health insurance plans, the employee's contribution is a pre-tax deduction. This means the money is taken out of their pay before federal, state, and social security taxes are calculated. This lowers their taxable income. Wave handles this calculation for you, so you just need to select the correct option from the drop-down menu. If you're unsure about the tax implications of a specific benefit, it's always best to consult with an accountant or payroll professional. For now, we'll select the pre-tax option. Once you have all the information filled out, click Save. And just like that, the health insurance benefit is set up for this employee. It will now automatically be applied to every future paycheck, with Wave handling all the complex calculations in the background. Now, what about a retirement plan like a 401k? The process is very similar. Let's go back to the Benefits and Deductions tab for our employee and click Add to Pay or Deduct from Pay again. This time, we'll select Retirement Savings Plan, 401k, from the drop-down. The form will be similar, but with a few key differences. For the name, you could put something like 401k contribution. The amount can be a fixed amount or a percentage. Many retirement plans are set up as a percentage of an employee's gross pay. Let's say the employee has chosen to contribute 5% of their gross pay to their 401k. You would select Percentage of Gross Pay and enter 5 in the percentage field. The company contribution is where you would enter any matching funds. If your company matches 3% of the employee's contribution, you would enter 3 here. Wave will then automatically calculate both the employee's and the company's contributions based on the employee's earnings for that pay period. For the tax treatment, 401k contributions are also typically pre-tax, so you'll select that option. Once again, click Save, and your retirement plan is good to go. But what if you offer a benefit that isn't on Wave's list? Maybe something like a commuter benefit, or a specific wellness stipend. Wave has you covered. When you go to Add to Pay or Deduct from Pay, you can scroll to the very bottom of the drop-down list and select Other Deduction. This gives you the flexibility to create a custom benefit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.